Hello guys, what's up? I'm Alpha and today I'll be teaching you how you can use new listing coins on Binance to earn more money. So currently this is gainers, this is losers, and these are the new listing coin. What does new listing coin simply means? New listing coin simply means that the coin that are currently being listed on Binance, that is the coin that are listed new that are newly listed on Binance currently, is what new listing simply means. So how can you use this new listing to earn more money on Binance? You can use this new listing to earn money on Binance by buying the coin immediately after they are being listed. If the coin is probably at 0.000000125, all you need to do is to buy the coin at a very lower price, then sell it off at a very high price, just like spot traders do, obviously. Then let's take for instance by looking at this PEP coin. Okay, this is PEP coin. So let's just scroll back to when it has been listed. Can you see this is where PEP coin was listed? It was listed at the price of 0.0000197. Then let's assume you were giving this update I'm giving you right now by buying this coin at this particular price. After buying the coin will rise in just 1 hour, has risen to 0.000439. So once you buy this coin at a very low price, then you sell it off at a very high price. So that is how you earn more money on trading with new listing coins. So once a coin has been listed, all you need to do as a spot trader is to buy the coin at a very low price, then wait for some hours, probably few minutes, then sell it off at a very high price. That is how you can earn more money on on new listing coin. So if you want more updates on how you can earn more money on Binance, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel so as to gain more access to my videos. Thank you.